We are now here at Phase 3F, Block 2, lots 4 and 5. Lot 4 is...
Lot 4 is 548. So, ang lot 4 po natin is 548. And ang lot 5 po natin is 501 square meter.
Wow, very good. So, ito siya. Pakita natin sa kanila. So, describe natin siya. So, lot 4 is here. Actually, may ano kasi siya what do you call this? May harang siya kasi inaayos na yung Phase 3F Block 2B. Which is, kasi pre-selling natin siya binenta. So, yung lots na available is this lot, lot 4. As you can see, ay, ano to? Puno ba to ng mangga?
Yes.
Oh my God! May puno ng mangga! Perfect! Kasi ito yung hanap ng client ko. There's some big mango tree on the property. So this mango tree is inside the lot of block. Kasi this one is lot 5. And then lots 4. So, nasa lot 4 siya. The total size of this lot is 549. Tapos, across it will be an open space. So, yun naman yung, ayan, open space po siya. Yes. So, this is lot 5. Mas mataas si lot 5 versus kay ano. Pero, i-drone natin to later para makita natin yung view. Kasi, 10 meters up, meron kang city skyline view doon sa side. Okay?